am here at a vintage car show and I thought it's a great chance to show you guys exactly how to do some vintage car photography. So stay tuned because this video is gonna be a banger.
A few moments later.
The first tip that I have for you is to shoot in different picture styles. Now picture styles changes the look and feel of your image. Look at these images right here. I shot this in sepia. I shot this because I wanted to give that vintage feel to it. So the theme of the subject, that is a vintage car, matches the colors that I used on the particular picture style, which is sepia. So when you're shooting a particular image, try to make sure that the subject of the image and the picture style, they match. Tip number 2 is to shoot the details of the car. So each car has a unique design, and with the unique design comes unique details. So you can shoot the logo of the car, you can shoot the tires, the logo which is on the tires, you can shoot the interior of the car, you can shoot it from the outside, you can shoot the car's engine, you can also shoot the different mirrors of the car, because mirrors too are really interesting because they have unique shapes to it. Some cars, they even have hangings on the mirrors, so you can have some close-up shots of that as well. The goal here is to showcase the car in its entirety. Anything that you find interesting in the particular car, be confident and go out there and shoot that. Tip number 3 is to shoot the car in different angles. So generally people shoot the car head on straight, which is a good angle, but then you should try to be creative and try to shoot in different angles. Look at this image right here. I have shot this car from the top of a building, so I gave this aerial view. So I didn't have a drone, so I couldn't try this out at this particular event, but I did try some other angles. So I tried a side angle, I tried a low angle, and all of these angles, right, it changes the perspective of the car and also gives us more details of the car. So plan your angles accordingly. And the last piece of advice that I can give you is to not fear other people's judgments when you're taking pictures of cars. So go out there and ask their permission. If they say yes, take cool pictures of the car, but don't worry about what onlookers are going to think about you, because at the end of the day, you're doing this for your portfolio and you're doing this for your profile to improve. So if you worry about what other people think, you aren't going to get those pictures and your profile isn't going to grow. So the easy way to think about this is that these people are not going to remember you. They're going to forget about you in the next 5 minutes because they all focus on their own lives. Okay, so just go out there, just keep clicking pictures and generate that sick portfolio. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, share and subscribe to the most badass photographer on YouTube, your boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.